Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I bought something from Beautylish and I'm kind of choking myself with this choker here. I love Beautylish because they really, I've not had any problem with shipping with Beautylish. They are like so quick. It's here in like 2 to 3 days. It's here. So I really love to do, like if I do online orders, I love to do it on Beautylish. If I open that up, let me just kind of, actually I'm going to just fold it like that so I can open it right in front of you guys, hopefully. So it's just this like tab, like box kind of, and then you open, oh sorry, open that like that. And I don't know if I kept it in proper order because I had already opened it and I packed it back. So there is just my order detail in this, and then okay, this is just the sample thing. It was actually in the sample bag, but I had taken it off. I'll tell you what this sample was. It's inside, and then it's just, actually let me take this box out of this. Okay, so this is how it looks, right? It's just, if you open it up, it has just this package on top, and then the actual item is here, and then this is the sample that they sent, and this was the samples card actually, and that's it. So just really good packaging inside here, and like that. So the Jeffree Star one looks even more pretty because of the way they pack it, they have the logos and stuff. Okay, so let me show you first what they sent with the sample. And Beautylish orders, you don't select any samples, they just send you something. So I do like it because they've sent pretty good size. I remember I had got like, last times I've ordered, I've got a Oribi shampoo and conditioner, though that was a small, like those pouches, but along with that they're also sent with one of the Jeffree Star ones. My I don't know if I showed it to you guys, I forgot probably, but in the sample there was also this Suwasu. Is it called Suwasu or Sulwasu? The Japanese or Korean, I don't know, I get confused, but their skincare serum, the Suwasu, and it's really good. So they sent pretty good size bottle, like this big mini bottle. So it was good. And this one they sent the Hydra Bio, what is this? Hydration, lasting long solution. It's a Bioderma. They're packed really well. It's a Bioderma Hydra Bio H2O solution micellar. So micellar water, I guess. So that's the sample. The actual item came like this. So it's really tiny. It's a mini palette, and I tried to pack it back. Like I said, I had removed it before. So it was packed the same way and then folded like this, and there was like this sellotape that I kind of ripped it off. So if you open it, inside in the bubble wrap, again another bubble wrap, they have kept the palette. And I am sorry because I've already swatched the palette because I did a video and it didn't come out that good. Like, I did swatches and I couldn't see the swatches that good because I did it in the evening. So that's the reason I did this, I did this video again. So that's why you will see that I have already digged into this palette a little bit because I had done swatches. Oh my god, this is really, I think I made it too tight or something. Okay, I may have messed up my layers right now. I think I messed up my layers. I can't even see it in the viewfinder properly. Okay, so I'm going to leave that alone. So that is the palette. So beautiful. The Viseart Warm Edit palette. So this has 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12 colors in it. So it's beautiful. I'll show you inside. So this is how the packaging looks in the front. Oh, I'm showing it. Okay. Viseart. And let me show you inside. So you have all the color names and the palette here with all the names of the color. Honorary, saffron. Okay, so let's open it up. And it looks really beautiful. That's how it looks. It's a red color with this like tab here to pull it, and it is like magnetic here. So this is how it looks here, and then in the back it has the name. It has a name here to warm edit, and then that's how it looks in the back. It's really handy, you know, to carry. And I've been wanting to buy the Viseart's theory palettes. Those have been really popular. Every time Sephora has a sale or something, the theory, though, I wanted the minx one because I love that combination of colors, like the warm colors. But whenever I want to get that, at that time, whenever sale is going on, it's always sold out, sold out, sold out. So it'll always be crossed out, and I can never buy it on sale. So if I need, I just need to like buy it full price. So this has like more color options than that, but that is like supposed to be really good quality. So this one, I haven't tried on my eyes yet, so I'm not sure, but this swatch really good. So if you open this tab here, and then it opens up like that. So there is a mirror also, which is good. So travel friendly, you can carry it everywhere, and you have a mirror. And then you will see that I've already digged into the colors, but look at those colors, guys. Like, I can live with this palette because it has all my favorite colors in it. Let me fold this like that, and then let me open this. There's a cover on this, like the cover, so you can use that too when you're traveling. You can put it on. So it's pretty like sturdy cover, not like just that cover, right? It'll fit in like that. You see that it'll fit in, and not like just like they give this thing. So that's how the colors are beautiful. And the mirror also like has a plastic over it right now. I haven't removed that. So beautiful colors. It has the pinks that I normally try to do. It has like this peachy and orangey browns, the copper, like the gold, the mustard yellow, and this one here, the champagne. So it kind of has all colors I need. So I really loved the what is this called, the color story of this palette. I loved it. So I'm going to show you guys the swatches. So first I'm going to do the first row, and the first row has, let me look at the box to see their names. So the first row has Honorary. I'm going from light to dark. Honorary, and then Saffron, that's the second color, which is like that mustard yellow color, that's the saffron. Then third is the burnt gold, so that's that gold color. And then the last one is earth, so it's kind of that brownish sheen color. Burnt gold is more metallic. Earth is like more little bit like sheen, kind of satin shade, earth. But the burnt gold is more metallic. Yeah. So let me swatch the first row for you guys. So I'm going to swatch it right here, all four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me take my watch off so it doesn't disturb my. Okay. So you can see the colors right there. So the first one is the lighter one here. Oh my god, wait, the sun is glaring here. Okay, so the light to dark. So Honorary, Saffron, the burnt gold, and then earth. Just going to hold it for a while to make it focus properly. Let's see the names of the second row. Okay, I'm going to hold it like that. The second row has apricot nude, bronzed peach, nude caramel, and chocolate. So it goes like in that brown shade, and I love that bronzed peach is like the metallic one, and all the other are matte. Yeah, all the other are matte. On the top there were two mattes, one metallic and one satin. On the second one there is three mattes, and this one is metallic, the bronze one. What was that? Bronzed peach. So I'm going to swatch those now for you guys. The four colors from light, I mean from like this side to that side, like the second row. This is the second row. which is again apricot nude. Hold on, let me hold it. Okay, closer. Apricot nude, bronzed peach, nude caramel, and chocolate. So those are the 4 colors. Now I'll show you the last row. So that's the second row. Now the last row has that champagne color there is called moonstone. Curcumin is like that dark peach one. Then flame, the orangey one, and then Mars is that pinky magenta color. So now let me swatch those. The first one, moonstone, and then curcumin, which is like that really beautiful orangey shade, peachy orange, and then the flame, which is a darker orange, reddish orange, and then the pink one, or the magenta color, that's a Mars. So in this row there is how many metallic? Yeah, the first one is kind of sheen. Is it metallic? I guess you can say metallic. So the first one and the last one are metallic, and 2 are matte. The middle, these 2 are matte, but these 2 are metallic. I guess even this last one, your earth, can be considered metallic, not satin. Yeah, and so if you just divide them as metallic and matte, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 metallic, and then the rest are matte. So that is the palette for you guys. So hope you guys got a good view of the shades and everything. So it's really beautiful. I can do one thing right now is put the rest of the colors also here to show you guys each row, right? So you can see that's how all of those shades, that's how the color story looks. So those were the swatches, and hope you guys hope it helped. And that is the palette. So I really loved this palette. Only thing, so you close it and then it's pretty secure because it closes this whole thing, right? And also you can put this cover, if you're traveling or you don't want it to spread around, so put it like that, cover it, then cover this, and then if you turn around, it closes and it's pretty secure. It has this magnetic pull here, so it closes on its own. So it's really pretty handy and nice palette. It's just it'll come in your palm, so good for travel too. So hope you guys enjoyed the review, and I will let you know in some other video once I try it on my eyes how good it is, and maybe I'll do a eye makeup video with this one. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, and there are more palettes that have come with this, so if you want, try it and see how it is. Viseart is really known for their eyeshadows. So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye.